Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can be successful in Monopoly Go. Before we get started, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. Follow me through the whole video for Monopoly Go tips and tricks. First of all, open the Monopoly app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After updating it, log in using your account and you will be redirected to the home page where the actual game is played. Now, in order to just win without wasting any dice rolls, first you will need to turn off the internet connection and roll the dice. After rolling a few times, if you think you got something good, then turn the internet back on. But if the rewards are not good enough, close the application with the internet turned off and delete the app's storage data. This will log you out of the app, then open the app and log in again. After logging in, you will be able to get back those dice rolls. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.